Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna review this palette from Wet n Wild, and it is known as House of Thrones. It has two dark shades and two glitter shades, so just keep watching my video. I'll tell you how it is, and at the end of the video you will know how I felt about it and what is my review on this. I did my base and you can check my previous videos for that. This is how the palette looks like. So I'm starting with this burgundy shade into my crease. This is kind of chalky and you have to blend a lot, but it is pigmented, and once you blend it properly it does look good. I'm taking this shimmer green shade and I'm gonna go on my lids with that. I'm using a brush and it works fine with that, so it's a plus. Now I'll take my brush and I'm just gonna blend both the shades in. I'm gonna use the black shade from the palette and I'm using it as an eyeliner. With the help of an angular brush, I'm gonna make one. This shade is highly pigmented and has zero fallouts. I'm really impressed with this one. I'm taking my pencil brush and I'm gonna smudge it. This is totally optional. Taking the burgundy shade again, I'm gonna use it on my lower lash line. Taking this new shade from PAC and I'm using as a kajal in my waterline. I'm taking the black shade again and I'm gonna intensify my lower lash line. For my blush, I'm using this blush from Nykaa. I'm gonna link down all the shades and products in the description box below, so you can check that out. For highlighter, I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome. I'm gonna apply it on all the high points on my face. I'm taking my brow pencil from Wet n Wild and I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. This will take some time because my eyebrows are a mess right now because of the quarantine. I'm using this white shade from my City Mini palette. That's the only shade I have used till now from this palette. I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone. I'm gonna avoid fake lashes in this tutorial, so I'm using my L'Oreal mascara and that's it for my lashes. For my lips, I'm using this brown shade from Maybelline. And this one is very easy to apply because of the applicator it comes with. And with this, I'm done with the look. So this is the look I got from this palette. So I tried using all the 4 shades and here are they. I love the packaging of it, the flowers, it's so beautiful and it looks so good, and just for 4.99 rupees, this is the MRP of this palette. There's hardly any fallout in this palette, which is really good for what you are paying. The red shade is kinda chalky and you have to blend a lot, but it looks good at the end. The black shade is very pigmented and really nice. I did a eyeliner from it and it looks really good. What are you paying for this palette? You can buy it because it's just for $4.99, but yes, you have to blend a lot and it's kind of chalky and patchy, but otherwise I like this palette. So if you like this video and it was helpful for you, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and until next time,